John, just wanted to do a quick video today. It's a nice day, some blue skies for a change, a little bit breezy, but wanted to take it out after work today, test out the mods I did on the back, which the 1-inch around all over the rear horizontal stabilizer, enlarged elevators. I put the servo hanging down from the bottom. I don't know if you can see that inside there, but I've got the access panel on the bottom here, so we can access that and make adjustments if necessary. The pivoting mechanism is not doing so hot. I've got to rework that and do a stronger servo on that. So we'll give it a shot. I hope I don't crash it for you. Oh, very nice. There we go, a little bit of inverted flying. It's a little windy, so it's tough to keep it inverted for long. Very breezy. Look how nice, how realistic it looks. A little slow in the roll, but that's a heavy tailwind. Look at that. Wow, beautiful, John. Whoop, running out of battery again. Very nice. It's growing on me. So I've got to sort out the pivot joint because, as a matter of fact, that wing is off. I just adjusted it last night and the wing is off. So I've got to do something with the servo for the pivot joint to get that taken care of. Elevator throw could be greater. Maybe I'll make the adjustment and put it on a lower rung on the control horn to get that throw better, and then I think we'll have some good loops. But maybe your idea with the ailerons is a good idea. Make them larger. Those throws on the ailerons are pretty good, and it's just not rolling the way it should. So then maybe next time I'll throw on a 6x5 prop that I made up. by cutting down to 7x5 and see if I can get some more thrust out of it. But I gotta say though, if you looked at the videos of the real thing, John, it looks like it's flying just like the real thing. The real things don't do all the tricks. You know, they don't do high alpha, and they don't do too many loops or anything. But they just fly fast and low, and they look great. And this one does that too.